What's going on, guys? It's Groove, back again with another one from the 12 Rules of Life by Jordan Peterson. And in today's video, we're going to be going over Rule 6. Set your own house in order before you criticize the world. So he starts out by saying that, life is hard and everybody experiences pain. But most people experience this pain off of their own faults. Some people who experience evil in life may tend to pay it forward while others learn from their abuse. Now, when I read this, it kind of made me think of immediately when somebody has, maybe they have an alcoholic parent. Maybe their father was an alcoholic and they used to come home and beat them. You would have two brothers and one swears off alcohol like, hey, I understand what my dad used to do. He used to drink. He was a terrible father, whatever, blah, 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 blah. So I'm never going to drink alcohol. Where the other one can go down the same route as their dad and be like, oh, I'm an alcoholic because my dad was an alcoholic. I never could get that because I'm on the side of, hey, like, I don't like how that went. I don't like how, again, going back to the alcoholic situation, I would be like, I seen what it did to my family. I don't want to go down that route. But you do have people that go down the other route and, again, perpetuate that evil. They keep it going. They pay it forward. And I never understood why people would choose that route, but people do choose that route. If that's not the route you want to go down, he says to start small. Like when it comes to cleaning up your own life, let's just say you do go down a bad route and you no longer want to do that. So he says to start small. Like, are you working on yourself? Are you working on your career the best you can? Are you shouldering responsibilities in the world? Are there things in your life that you could change or should fix, but you aren't? If the answer to that is no, then just stop doing that today. You can change today. He says, if you want to clean up your life, stop acting in a despicable manner. Stop speaking of things that you are ashamed of. Only talk about yourself in a strong manner. Only do things that make you honorable. He says to have some humility. If you can't bring peace to your own household, how can you try to rule a city? Now, when I read that part, again, bringing peace to your household and ruling a city, it just makes me think about how everybody online today is constantly complaining about everything that's going on. Oh, this politician is doing this, blase, this is going on in this part of the world. But it's like, what are you doing in your own life to improve it? Like, how can you improve your own life? People, they're just quick to jump online and criticize somebody else or what another country is doing before they've even gotten their own household in order. It is kind of crazy to me. But then he goes on to say that, as you start to clean up your life, your soul will guide you into the right direction over the days and weeks and years ahead. Your head will start to clear up and your experience with life will improve. After years of this, your life will become better and your judgment will improve. You will end up stronger and less bitter and more confident about the future. Then maybe over time, you will see your anxiety, your depression, your hopelessness, and resentment also recede in your life. Perhaps you will start to see that if all people around the world did this, this world will be less evil of a place to live in. So with that, set your own household in order before you criticize the world. And that's pretty much it for this chapter. I really like this. It was a pretty small chapter, really quick one, but it's true. So many people today are, especially online, social media, they're constantly criticizing the world about how we should make things better or what other people should do differently when their own household is kind of in shambles. It's kind of wild, but yeah, so that's it for this one. Go ahead and hit a like and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll catch you guys in that next one. Peace.